Without these 4 words, no new project or business that you have in mind will ever germinate and take off. Melvin right here, co-founder of the X Factor method, personally made over 35 million in terms of business revenue, and we are the behind the scenes coach together with my partner Joe to many of the world's most amazing coaches, consultants, marketers, service providers, etc. Today's video is about 4 amazing words: space in and space within. This is a very meta, big concept, very critical for you to watch this video. It won't be very long, but you must apply this into your life if you want any kind of project or business or idea to take off. For any new project to take off or idea, they're like a seed. And a seed, while amazing, while very wonderful, it needs the right kind of soil and the right environment for it to germinate. And the first thing it requires is you need space within your life, space in your life for it to take place. If your life is packed right now, and we coach so many different people, sometimes people have an amazing idea, they have an amazing thing that they want to make happen. But their lives are so complicated, so packed. They have so many other things going on that maybe they have like 10 minutes a day to make this idea come true. Or maybe 5 minutes a day, or maybe an hour on the weekend. If that's your situation right now, your life is so packed till a new idea has no space to take forth, to germinate, then nothing will actually happen. The first thing you need to do if you have a new idea is you need to clear up space within your life so that this idea can flourish. That would require the use of this word, which not many people like, and the word is sacrifice. Another word is elimination, to be very direct. You need to eliminate all things in the environment, in the meta context of your life that is not healthy and conducive for this idea to take place. There might be friends or people in your life that constantly put you down. There might be activities and hobbies that are kind of recreational, they're kind of cool, but they don't add to the nourishment of this idea. There might be even money, resources, energy, time schedule, environmental places you need to put yourself in, things that you need to shift around so that there is space within your life for this idea to take place. For an idea to take place, you need to be in the right environment, you need to have the right people, you need to have the right computer, technology, resources, internet, whatever you need need to have the right funding, you need to be in the right place, the right time period, the right energy for these things to take place. If you are unwilling to clear things out, to move things, move people, move places, etc., so that the idea can germinate, then the idea will not naturally take place. In fact, it will just die. Think about it like a seed in the wrong soil, nothing happens. That's the first key. Space in your life. Very critical. Now, the next one is space within you. I know that there have been many times where I've been blessed with a wonderful idea, but I was not in the right mental head space. I had so many things going on in my head. I had self-doubt. I was uncertain. There were things that were happening in my personal relationships, personal life. This leading to complexity, not just in my life, but within myself. And so when the idea landed right there, I was not in that space where I had the full focus, the full attention, the full desire, determination, drive, focus, attention to make these things come true. And so what happens in the idea? The great universe gives you the idea and it lands, but the soil within is not fertile. And so I think it's really critical that when you have such an idea and you want to make it happen, you have to clear everything out, not just in your life, but within yourself. And say, am I determined? Am I willing to make the sacrifices? Am I willing to clear things out within my life, sort everything out? And so make space within myself for this idea to take place. And so to put myself in that space where I'm like, all right, cool, this is the one thing I want to put at the center of my life. I want to make happen. I want to direct my focus to this every single day versus toss it aside to something I think about when everything else is cleared. Space within. If you are willing to clear the space in your life and allocate the necessary resources, time, energy to make it happen, and your mental headspace within yourself for the idea to germinate, then it will happen. And no matter how great ideas land in your lab, in your mind, they will never germinate. And so I was doing this sharing, and I tell all the new entrepreneurs or people that want to make an idea happen, the first thing you need to do when you want a new idea to take place is you clear a lot of space for this idea to grow in your life. And you need to ask yourself, are you in the right mental, emotional headspace? Space within for this idea to take place. If you are, nothing will stop you. If you aren't, nothing will happen. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, pay attention to our channel. I look forward to dropping a lot of these business, marketing, life wisdom to you, having done this for the last 17 years. Take care, I'll see you soon.